What is up, everyone? It's Aubrey back with the pre-market watch list series. I'm back at the apartment, back on my usual setup, back on my bullshit. Alright, so main watches are definitely going to be NAOV, still hanging around. Look at this. Alright, so had a nice spike all the way up to 408. I grabbed a little bit of this piece just for the morning and then decided to call it a day. So I missed out on all of this other opportunity, but you know what? That's fine. Not mad at it. Still hanging around here, so I'm definitely thinking about playing the breakout over this formation. I'm going to call it 375, even though, like, you know, at this point we've sort of cleared over that level. Maybe 382 is a stronger level to look at. I like this consolidation on the structure. It's pretty cool. Got this higher low thing happening. So that's great. Maybe take a teaser position and risk, you know, like 10 or 12 cents. Adding on the dip to full size. So I'd probably do like $5 risk down to here. And then add the other $15 on the dip if we get the dip. Otherwise, you know, I'm looking for an entry out of here. Definitely the top watch. I'm not gonna, I'm not trying to watch a bunch of stuff. I gotta catch up on some stuff from when I was gone. Other thing I'm looking at is HPIL. This is the good OTC runner. Look at this daily chart down here. So, you know, we're retesting these new highs. That's really cool. Dip buy into a morning panic, you know? That's what I'm looking for. There's going to be a lot of people selling the gap. This thing closed at 105. We got 118 right now in pre. So I'll look to dip buy from the profit taking. You know, maybe we get a dip into the 105 area again. That would be cool. If we do, that's when it's looking juicy to me. And then maybe we get a continued move to retest. What is this all-time high of 119? So we're close to that all-time high. I don't know about all-time high, but at least on this year chart. If I go to, yeah, I mean, look, that's all-time highs. Nice. So that's the other thing I'm really excited about. If I get a good setup on this would be my main. I'm really looking just to, you know, keep the trade small. If I get one good trade, I'm just gonna pack it in, call it a day, get green, get out. I don't want to give back too many gains. The more I trade, the worse I perform. PBTS is another one worth watching. This one, you know, had this insane run here from the 4s to 965. We had an insane run here from the 1s to 360. So we kind of know it's possible. This was hanging around here in the 125s, and then kind of did this gap up move to 224, and it's been red for a couple of days. But it's gapping up now, so it seems like it's in play. They dropped a PR at 810. Not bad. I would want to see some kind of dip to hold this 166 area, and I would probably be looking to get out in the 90s. You know, I think a push of 2 might be a little tough. You know, maybe even 180 you start to see some struggle. I'm trying. You know, I think you got to be really scalpy right now. It seems like the continuation is just kind of weird. I mean, even NAOV, everyone was saying was like, oh, so great. And yeah, you had this breakout, you know, to the whole dollar, pushing up to 408. But look at this, like, you just give it up into the close. The last hour and a half here, you lose. You know, here's 4, 5. 331. Like, just completely wiping out most of the day's action within that last hour and a half. So, you know, even though this was nice, you know, that's why I chose to just, you know, do my thing, get out. So be wary of that. As much a mental note to myself as it is to y'all. And I think I'm going to wrap it on that. You know, FLGC was good yesterday. Maybe let's take a look at FLGC. You know, maybe we push up to 17. It's off my radar. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not really trying to play stocks that are in this price range. But you know, you might have some luck with it. DPW was one that was pre-market gapper that just kind of gave it all up. Doesn't look like it's really doing much either in this pre-market. GTII had a nice little move here. Anyway, those are my two. NAOV, HPIL, and then an honorable mention to PBTS. Just gonna keep it nice and simple today. DPLS too could be worth watching for a continued panic dip buy bounce. Still, I still feel kind of like uncomfortable with that pattern. So, but I've seen it. I mean, I've been watching it. So who knows? Anyway, that's all I got. Good luck. Let me know in the comments below what you are watching, or if you had any good trades we can celebrate together. Otherwise, I will be back for the trade recap. Aubrey, out.